Hey guys, today we're going to be putting on a rear diff cover on my 99 Trans Am, so stay tuned.
Alright guys, this is the TA Performance rear diff cover. This is made from 356 T6 cast aluminum. These rear diff covers incorporate the reinforcement crossbars. The crossbar houses these two load bolts which apply pressure to the bearing caps. This feature, along with the thick casting, prevents bearing cap deflection under severe loads, which in turn greatly reduces or eliminates bearing cap fatigue or failure, which we do not want that. So with that being said, we're going to start taking the old diff cover off and we're going to get to putting this one on. Alright guys, got the old diff cover off. We've got the new diff cover right here. Basically what the directions are saying are the load bolts, you want to back them all the way out. In the directions it says that if you leave them pushed out and you try to install this without having them pushed all the way in and you torque them down, you can actually damage the bearing caps. So you just want to make sure that you have these threaded all the way back, all the way out before you put the cover in, and then pretty much you just use the gasket that comes with it. Alright guys, well we're going to get to putting the cover on. We'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, looks like I'm going to have to take the pan hard bar off and take the sway bar, the rear sway bar off. So we're in the process of doing that now.
got everything back on, got all the bolts torqued down, got everything torqued and tightened back up, and that is the finished product.